Hi, my name is Bettina. I'm working here at Innovation in the sales department. The sofa I'm sitting on is a Supramax Deluxe XS Lounger. The name is very long, but it is because we would like to explain to you the extra comfort this sofa has. XS is actually an explanation of the extra high mattress, which gives you a very, very good comfort when you're sleeping on it. The lounger is explaining the extra deep seat, which means that when this sofa is turned into a bed, you have a 155 by 2 meter bed. Now I would like to show to you how to do it. Pull up the cushions. Push this one aside. This one here. Like this. Here are the legs. Push them here. Back down. So now you have the Supramax Deluxe XS Lounger sofa as a bed. 155 by 2 meter.